Hi everyone, welcome to Algorithmist. So today this is the final video for the sliding window. In this video I'm not going to solve any problem. It's just I have some practice problems for you in this Google Doc. I shall share the link of this document in the description of this video. So these are some four problems. Two, I guess one or two are easy and the rest are medium and hard. I want to at least solve the two problems or at max three problems, and even the solutions as I'm able to solve I have written here. If you have any other solutions you can just put them down in the comment section. So with this we end this video. Also here the sliding window, this subject is completed. I hope now you can understand at least 70 to 80% of the problems and are able to identify the patterns from the sliding window. So if you like the series so far, do like and share the series. Also to subscribe to my channel. It will help me to to generate more content and also help you on the longer run. Thank you.